Can you guess the names of these absolutely unhinged Italian AI animal memes before your brain melts like mozzarella? You've got 5 seconds for each one. Glorbo. Glorbo. Bombardiro crocodilo. Bombardiro crocodilo. Lirili larila. Lirili larila. Lirili larila. Lirili larila. Trippi troppi troppa trippa. Trippi troppi troppa trippa. Burbaloni loliloni. Burbaloni loliloni. Bambini crossini. Bambini crossini. Frulli frolla. Frulli frolla. Patapim. Patapim. Tung 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 Sahur. Tung 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 Sahur. So, how many did you get right? Did you survive the brain rot challenge? Or are you now legally spaghetti? Comment your score below and tag a friend who wouldn't guess Trippi Troppo even if their life depended on it.